I'm Sushil. I'm here today to present to you a web application called Apartment Scout. Apartment Scout is a very unique application that allows users to post a blog on the apartment that they want the scouts to go and look into and verify the genuinity of the listing. The user does so because he or she is not located in the area and they want someone reliable to go and look at the apartment on their behalf and give them a genuine feedback. Before moving on, let's discuss the problem statement that our application is trying to solve. One of the main problems faced by international students is to find a reliable apartment and to verify the genuinity of the apartment. I, being an international student, had to personally go through this when I came here to the US last fall. I didn't know anyone here in the US, and I had to rely on reaching out to my seniors here at Stevens through LinkedIn or through Stevens' support chat group in WhatsApp or on Instagram handles and request my seniors to go and visit the apartment on my behalf so that they can verify the genuinity of the apartment, the uh, the reliability of the and the safety of the neighborhood that the apartment is located in. The one of the solution that we are that our application is trying to provide is to connect apartment scouts to with the international students. Apartment scouts over here refers to the local residents or the students who live in the vicinity of the camp of the apartment that the user has listed. The apartment scouts can go into this location and verify and document the apartment and reach back to the user so that the user gets more reliable uh, inputs. What is our application trying to achieve at the end? It is just trying to find a more efficient and stress-free apartment hunting experience for thousands, if not millions, of international students who come to the US for their studies. There are two target users for our application. One being the primary user. These are the international students, as I mentioned earlier. Um, and the second one being the secondary user. These are local scouts. They can be residents or students who are here who are looking for earning quick money by providing their assistance to the users for their apartment hunting. Core features. Our application provides the following core features. User authentication. Like any well-built web application, even our application provides a secure sign-in and sign-up page where all the data that the user has provided is securely saved and saved in a very secure database. Um, User dashboard. Our application provides a personalized hub for the users once they sign up and they log into their web page. They are treated with a well-designed dashboard that provides them all the listing that they have posted, an option to create new listing, option to edit, option to see who all have subscribed to their listing, option to see the scouts that have posted comments on their listing, and also to see track what all listings that have posted have been closed. Apartment listing management. This feature allows the user give full access to the user to control his or her listing. It allows them to create post, edit post, update post, and also delete the post if they don't feel like if they feel like withdrawing from the post. Scout dashboard. Uh, it's similar to the user dashboard, but when a scout logs into the application with his credentials, he is given a different dashboard that shows all the uh, listings that are available nearby his area. He can also search through listings by searching through a specific pin code, and which shows all the listings according to that pin code. He can also subscribe to the task and also track his earnings and also see all the uh, listings that he has subscribed to and also has finished. Some extra features of our application is the review system. Like any credible application, web application in this modern era, trust is one of the important factors, and we uh, intend on building trust of our users by providing a reliable rating and review system where the scouts as well as international students or the users can provide their feedback, their reviews, so that we can use those information to enhance our experience, enhance our user experience going forward, and to maintain trust and quality. In-app messaging. We are planning to build an communication system for users and scouts to communicate or collaborate efficiently. Group listing. This is one of the extra features that we are planning to implement where international students can create groups of listing so that multiple people don't have to post the same listing again and again, and they can share the listing, and also might find potential future flatmates by doing so. Value proposition. One of the main value proposition of our application is in saving time and resources of the international students, and letting them focus on more important tasks rather than um, spending their time in apartment hunting process. Providing earning opportunities for local scouts and students who are ready to sign up as scouts in our application, and enhance the overall experience of apartment hunting. So far, we have discussed the uh, the key advantage that the end users will have. Let's discuss on why this project is worthwhile, and we as an investors, what do we get from this application? Um, this market is very unique. It is growing in number, and every year a large number of international students come to the US for their higher education. According to last fall 2022's data provided by the US State Department, a record 280,000 F1 visas has been processed, and um, and if we just count in for 20% of the users had been converted to our web application users, and even if they pay a minimum pay of $10 per person, our app would generate close to 500,000, half a million in projected revenue. This is a this is a very niche market and also has a lot of potential, as we don't have any direct solution or competitors for this. Uh, Competitors and differentiators. There is no direct competitors for our application, as the closest one that we get is apartment hunting websites like or agencies like Zillow or apartment.com. They just provide the listings that the owner or the agents put up. They don't provide an option for the users to put up a listing where someone else can go and verify the genuinity of the application. So this is one thing that we are trying to differentiate us from our competitors. And it also adds in a personalized touch where the local scouts who subscribe to the listing of the international user can give them personalized feedback. As they live in the apartment, as they live in the locality, they can give more information on how the locality is and can give valuable feedback looking at what the end user is actually looking for. Tech stack. Our application will be built on HTML, CSS, Node.js, and MongoDB. Um, Conclusion. Apartment Scout provides a very unique and valuable service for international students and local scouts. The core features of the platform actually enhances the apartment hunting experience for the international users. Right now, our primary focus is to cater the international students, but this application can also be enhanced or expanded to any international traveler who is coming to the US and who wants similar functionality or features. Investing in Apartment Scout is means investing in the future, as this is a very growing market, a niche market, and there are no direct solution for this. So we can get an early mover advantage by capturing the market, and providing a very good user experience for our users. Um, Thank you, everyone. This is it from Team 21.